Hi, welcome to a video for yoga using Feldenkrais. We are going to make this movement a lot easier. So much of us, we begin with this sun salutation where we come all the way down and back up. We're going to make that easier by starting in seated and just finding a comfortable seat to begin. And once you have a comfortable seat, just notice your spine, inhaling and exhaling, taking all the time you need. And we're just going to begin by placing one hand on the floor and taking the other hand up and over, just being very conscious of how we do this. And as we come back, let's reach the hand the other way to create some space. And do the same thing on the other side. Go ahead and lift the arm, conscious of how it's lifting. And then create some space on the way down. Let's try that with both hands. Let's take them both up and then create some space on the way down and push out with the palms as you allow the fingertips to go back toward the body. Let's try that again. Inhaling up, exhaling, pushing out the base of your palms and creating some space. And then just take your arms up and notice if anything is easier about the lifting of the arms. We're going to make the arms a lot easier in just a moment. A part of the movement also involves the pelvis. So start to make a movement here in seated of cat and cow. We're going to round the back, bringing the head down. And then we'll start to arch the back and look up. Use your breathing here. You can allow it to choreograph the method, or you can breathe however it feels comfortable. Cat and cow in seated. Just feeling the fluidity of the movement of your spine. Pause the next time that you're upright. Take both arms out to your side and have loose fists. And you're just going to roll those fists down and roll them up. Rolling your fists and arms. Notice the arms also roll down and up. And now as you roll the arms down, so the loose fists are facing the ground, start to take your head down. And as you roll them up, start to take your head up. And allow the movement of the arms turning down to take you down, and allow the movement of the arms turning up to help you look up. Keeping those arms straight and right out from the shoulders, and they're just rotating by the loose fists turning in one direction and the other. Pause in the middle. Let's try the opposite. As the fists roll down, take the head up. As the fists roll up, take the head down. This is going to feel a little bit less congruent for most. And if you're not sure which way you tried first, just try the other way. Again, the whole arm is moving because the fists are moving. And then pause that and rest for a moment. And go right back into cat and cow and see if there's been an improvement all of a sudden, that it's a little bit easier. Rolling forward and back on your pelvis, rounding and extending. And now let's try lifting those arms again and see, did that get any easier? So notice the ease in lifting the arms now compared to before. And now let's come up onto all fours just to make this a little bit easier. From all fours, we're going to go into our cat and cow here. So we lower the stomach, lower the chest, look up. You can stick out the tongue. And then we round the back. And feel how the pressure on the hands as you come forward and drop the belly and chest goes onto your palms. Feel that support. And then feel how you can push back with your hands to round and push all the way back until you come to your pelvis. Now use your hands to pull yourself forward until you can come into dropping the belly and chest. Use the hands to then push back. So it's as though you're using your hands. You can even bend the elbows if you need to, but use the hands to make this movement of cat and cow coming forward and back. Pulling with the hands, pushing with the hands. Pulling and pushing. Pause when you're back. Take the hands out a little bit wider and come forward. And just start to move your weight from one side to the other. So the arms are a little bit wider. And you're just moving from one hand, placing the weight there. Pause. Can you lift the opposite arm? Come back, other side. And now look up at the arm that's lifting. Arms are wide. Let's see if we can take the opposite leg. So we're going to take the arm out. Opposite knee can start to come up. And you're going a little bit out into the side and diagonal. Great. Pause that and come to seated. In whatever position you're in, once more, arms up and down. And now let's try the full movement. So wherever you are, start with arms up. Don't worry if you can't see me. You're going to be bending all the way down, swanning down, touch your toes. See how low you can go. If you can reach the floor, if you can't, and then come back up again. And if you're about here, let's pause here for a moment. So everybody come to this position, and let's just make a movement of taking one shoulder and knee forward, and then the other. So again, I'm taking one shoulder and knee a little bit forward. As I'm bending my knee, the shoulder comes too. And I'm just kind of wagging my pelvis side to side as I do this. Coming up a little bit and then seeing, can I go down further? Trying that again. Coming up, going down, going all the way up and coming all the way back down and seeing if it's easier now. I hope that this is easier for you for yoga. I will be making more yoga videos soon. Continue to join me, please. I love having you.